one of the things that has gone missing from modern test match cricket in recent years is hostile and aggressive old-fashioned fast bowling. Well, Barbados-born England speedster Jofra Archer rekindled memories with that fiery spell of brutal speed to Australian run machine Steve Smith, the man-Hal Smith, who's been punishing the English bowlers with almost 400 runs in 3 innings, looking like a tail-ender. In fact, the world stood still when Smith took one flush on the side of the neck and was left spread-eagled on the ground. Fieldsmen gathered in concern as Archer, in all West Indies warrior style, made his way back to his mark. And this strengthens the theory that Steve Smith is only as dominant as he is in modern test cricket because the current bowling stock is weak. Jofra Archer would have been a fringe bowler in the glory days of West Indies cricket. Even in the weaker era of Walsh and Ambrose, Archer would be second or third change or 12th man. So Steve Smith is basically bullying the little lollipop bowlers in the game today, averaging 60 odd. And the one time a bowler with little pace hold him, a hospital him. With the cricket world forced again to have a concussion discussion. See me.